In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate automations or workflows in Monday.com. If you've ever needed to replicate an automation on another board or simply want a copy for a different use case, you're in the right place. This tutorial will guide you through the process step by step so you can seamlessly duplicate any workflow. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll need to navigate to the board that already contains the automation you'd like to duplicate. First, head to the top right corner of your screen and click on the Automate button. This button takes you into the Automation Center, where you can view all active automations linked to your current board. Once you're in the Automation Center, take a moment to scroll down until you reach the section named Active Automations. Here, you'll find a list of all current workflows. Browse through this list to locate the specific workflow that you'd like to duplicate. Take your time here. You want to ensure you're selecting the correct one to avoid any unnecessary duplication. Now that you found the workflow, look for the three-dot menu located next to it. This menu is easy to miss, so keep an eye out for it. Clicking on these three dots will reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, you want to select Duplicate. By clicking Duplicate, a copy of the selected workflow will automatically appear on the same board. Voila! With your duplicated workflow now on the board, you'll want to tailor it to suit your new requirements. You can start by adjusting any columns that are specific to your project's needs. Perhaps there are statuses in the automation that need updating, or maybe you need to change the people assigned within the workflow. Make sure to review each part of the duplication, ensuring that everything accurately reflects the goals of your new project. This customization is crucial for maintaining the efficiency and effectiveness of your automation. And there you have it. Duplicating workflows in Monday.com is designed to be straightforward and quick, allowing you to focus more on your tasks and less on setup logistics. This process makes it easy to scale your work across different teams or projects, ensuring consistency and efficiency. Thanks for following along with this tutorial. I hope this guide empowers you to make full use of your Monday.com boards, saving you time and effort as you manage multiple workflows. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials just like this one. Happy automating!